media. Yes, man.
What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Kevin Too Crazy. I wanted to mess with people a little bit, so I went on the road asking for fake places with sexual sounding names. In this episode, we are asking for the Rim Job Garage, owned by Mr. Dick Hertz. Get it? Let's see if the people in the video do or they don't. Remember to hit the like button, the share button, and also the subscribe button for more videos. Let's go! Yo, I'm nervous as fuck, dog. Yo, don't talk about what guys, look what I'm wearing though. I look like a fucking scallywag. Yeah, I'm not sure, easy. Stay on the line though. You have to stay on the line. Yeah. Excuse me, miss. Do you know where the Rim Job Garage is? Rim Job Garage?
Is it across from Sovereign?
I'm not even sure. Yeah, is it across from Sovereign? Who own it? Who owned the place, Grandpa? Dick Hertz?
Rim shop.
Rim Job. Yeah, I think it's somewhere along here. He's telling me.
The only garage that I know about, when you get to the back of the door on the corner,
Yeah.
on the left.
And is Mr. Dick Hertz own it?
You're gonna go ask, but the only garage I know along here. On the
Yeah.
plaza on the left hand side, you walk on a slope like.
Okay. Alright, Grandpa, I'm going to check still. The lady don't say she don't know, but I'm going to check. Just so you guys know, I'm not talking to nobody, but I have to act like I'm talking to somebody. Alright, hold on, Grandpa. Let me ask somebody. Excuse me, sir. You know where the Rim Job Garage is? Rim Job Garage. Grandpa, the man saying no know in so. Alright, no problem. Alright, cool. Yo, I'm shaking like a leaf though. Excuse me, you know where the Rim Job Garage is around here? I think Mr. Dick where's my name, Grandpa? Dick Hertz? Yeah, Mr. Dick Hertz own it or something like that. No? Alright, the lady didn't know it. Grandpa, I got me out in because I don't know what you talk about in already. Watch me, I get that money, you know. Just hold on, I go ask somebody if they know where it is. Excuse me, sir, you know where the Rim Job Garage is along this road?
No English, man.
Oh, you don't speak English? Alright, thanks. Man, they talk English to learn, Yo, this funny as fuck. Yo, that was fucking cool, man.